So let's revise the chapter Sikata Setuhu for exam. In the question paper, in the literature part, Padidamsh Avabodhanam, there will be 3 questions from the literature. Padyamsh, Gadyamsh and Natyamsh. Sikata Setuhu chapter will come under Natyamsh category because it's a part of a play. So the story begins with Tataha Pravishati Tapasyarataha Tapodattaha. So Tapodattaha is the main character of the play. Tataha Pravishati. Then he enters. Then Tapodatta enters. Tapasyarataha. He is doing a penance. So he is talking to himself in the beginning. Aham tapodattaha asmi. Aham asmi tapodattaha means aham tapodattaha asmi. I am tapodatta. Balye pitrucharanaihi kleshyamanaha api vidyam na adhitavan asmi. Balye, in the childhood, pitrucharanaihi kleshyamanaha. Even though inspired by the father, by his father, Abhi. Then also, Vidyam na adhitavan asmi. He didn't go for getting education or he didn't learn anything. Tasmat. Because of that reason, what happened? Sarvaihi kudumbibihi mitraihi jnati janaihi cha. 3 words are in Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvajanam. Kudumbibihi mitraihi jnati janaihi. Kudumbibihi means by the family members. Mitraihi by the friends. Jnati janaihi by the people all whom he knew. All his neighborhood and everybody. Friends. Garhitaha abhavam. I got rejected or I got criticized. Urdham nishvasya. So whatever is there in the bracket is the background, or it is not a dialogue or anything. It is the scene being described. He is taking a sigh. Urdhvam nishvasya. Ha vide kimidam maya kridam. Tapodatta is again talking to himself. There is no listener there in the play. He is saying, "O fate, what did I do with myself? Kidrishi durbuddhihi asid tada." Tada means at that time. Kidrishi durbuddhihi. Durbuddhihi is Strilingam. That is why the adjective Kidrishi is Strilingam. He is telling that he was very such a bad person at that time. Kidrishi durbuddhihi asid tada. Edadabi na chinditam yet. I didn't even think about this. And a sloka is quoted there. The sloka is Paridanair alangarair bhushitobi na shobhate naro nirmani bhogiva sabhayam yadiva grihe. So when you get a sloka, first we have to do the sandhi of words which are not splitted in the sloka. Paridanaihi will be the first word. Paridanaihi plus alangaraihi plus bhushitaha plus abhi becomes Paridanair alangarair bhushitobi. 2 times Visarga Sandhi. Paridanaihi plus alangaraihi plus bhushitaha plus abhi na shobhate. Naro will become naraha. Nirmani bhogiva is Dirgha Sandhi. Nirmani bhogi plus iva. Sabhayam yadiva grihe. So, Paridanaihi alangaraihi bhushitaha abhi. Naraha na shobhade. Naraha we have to take from the second line. That is the prose order. Kidrishaha naraha paridhanaihi alangaraihi bhushitaha abhinaraha. A man who is well dressed and well adorned, who is being decorated with some jewels and good clothing, na shobhade. Even with that he will not shine. Nirmani bhogi iva. So a man is compared to a snake, bhogi. Nirmani bhogi, a serpent without the shining gem. Sabhayam yadiva grihe. Sabhayam yadiva grihe means even in a court, even in a gathering or at home, he will not shine because he doesn't have the gem. Nirmani bhogi. He doesn't have the gem of knowledge. The gem of education is missing in that person. Then he will not shine anywhere, in a gathering or at home. Then kinjit vimrishya. Then after some time, bhavatu kim etena. Divase margabhrantah sandhyam yavad yadi griham upaidi tadabi varam. Bhavatu, well, kim etena, why do you think like this? Divase margabhrantah, even though I have been not on my path till now, that is divase means on the daytime, even a person if he is roaming around. Sandhyam yavad yadi griham upaidi, even at the dusk time, if he comes back home, if he returns home, tadapi varam. That is, a person who is not following the right path in his lifetime, even at the later afterwards, if he is he got the wisdom and he is following the right path in a late time in his life, then also it is good enough. Na asau brantaha manyate. Then he will not be counted as a bad person or a confused person. Ataha aham idanim tapascharya vidyam avaptum pravrittaha asmi. And he thinks that now I will do penance and I will acquire knowledge. Tapascharya. Tapascharya. Akaranta strilingam tridya ekavajanam. Kaya will be the question word. Vidyam avaptum pravrittaha asmi. I am trying to acquire knowledge by doing penance. So at that time in the background he hears some noise. Jalochalana dvanihi shruyate. He listens to some sound from the background that is made from water. Some water moving sound is heard from the background. Aye kutaha ayam kallola uchchalana dvanihi. Kallolochalana dvanihi. Dvanihi means sound. Kallola uchchalanam, the sound of waves, water waves, is heard from the background. From where it is heard, he is wondering. Mahamatsyaha makaraha va bhavet. It can be a very big fish or a crocodile. Pashyami tavad. So he goes near that place from where the sound is heard and he wants to find out. He is curious about it. Purusham ekam sikatabihi setu nirmana prayasam kurvanam drishtva sahasam. So when he went near the water where sound is heard, he saw a person. Ekam purusham. Sikatabihi setu nirmanam prayasam kurvanam drishtva sahasam. He saw a person trying to make a bridge using sand. Sikatabihi. Sikata means sand. Setu nirmanam, building a bridge. He is trying to build a bridge using just sand. So he felt pity for him, or he mocked at him. Sahasam. He started laughing and said, Hanta, nastya bhavo jagadi murkhanam. Nastya bhavo should be splitted as na asti abhavaha. Na asti abhavaha. There is no scarcity. Jagati, in the world, murkhanam, for foolish people. There is no scarcity for foolish people in the world. That was the statement he made by looking at that man who was trying to build a bridge using just sand. Tivra pravahayam nadyam. So he was not just making a sand on the earth. He was making a sand where there was high current of water flowing. Tivra pravahayam nadyam. In a river. Moodaha ayam sigadabihi sedum nirmadum prayadade. This foolish person is trying to make a bridge where there is high current of water in the river. Satahasam parshvam upetya. So he laughed loudly and parshvam upetya, samipam gatva, by going near him. Parshvam, synonymous samipam, upetya gatva. So parshvam upetya samipam gatva. भो महाशय किमिदं विधीयते अलमलं तव श्रमेण पश्य. Bho Mahashaya. So Tabodatta called that person as Mahashaya. Kim idam vidiyade. What are you doing? Alam alam tava shravena. Don't do this effort. See, and he quotes a story. He quotes a sloka. Ramo babanda yam sedum shilabir magaralaye vidadat balugabistam yasi Tvam adhiramatam. Ramah babanda yam setum shilabhihi plus makaralaye shilabhir makaralaye. Visarga sandhi. Vidadat balukabhihi tam. Balukabhistam. Balukabhihi plus tam. Yasi tvam adhiramatam. So, quoting from the story of Ramayana, Rama built a bridge across the ocean. Shilabhihi, with the rocks, he built a bridge across the ocean. Vidadat balukabhihi tam yasitvam adhiramatam. Balukabhihi, with the sand. Tam vidadat, by making the same type of bridge across the river just using sand. Tvam adhiramadam yasi. You will go a step beyond what Ram went, where Ram went. That means you will become more famous than Ram. That's what he meant. So Purushaha, that man, replies to Tabodatta, Bo tapasvin, kadam mam avarodham karoshi, prayatnena kimna siddham bhavati, ka avishyakata shilanam. So, that man calls Tabodatta as tapasvin, O person, meditator, or the person who is doing penance. Kadam mam avarodham karoshi. Why are you stopping me? Avarodham, stop. Prayatnena kimna siddham bhavati. What cannot be achieved with effort? Ka avishyakata shilanam. Because he quoted about the building of a bridge using rocks by Ram. He is asking, what is the use of rocks here? Sikatabihi eva sedum karishyami swasangalpa dridhataya. With determination, swasangalpa dridhataya. Sikatabihi eva, only by using sand, sedum karishyami. I will build a bridge. Ashcharyam, Tabodatta says, Ashcharyam, kim sikatabhireva sedum karishyasi. Will you make a bridge only with sand? Sikataha jalapravahe stasyanti kim. When there is high current of water in the river, will the bridge stay, which is made only using the sand? Bhavada chintitam nava. Didn't you think about this thing? It's a very obvious thing that it will not stay. If you build a bridge only with sand, it will not stay in the river when there is high current flow of water. So the man replies, Sotprasam. Sarcastically the man replies, Chintitam, I thought. Samyak chintitam, I thought well. Na aham sopana sahayataya adhirodum vishwasimi. Samutplutyeva gandum kshamosmi. Na aham sopana sahayataya. Sopana means ladder. Adhirodum vishwasimi. If I want to go somewhere high above, I don't want to climb through the ladder. Samutplutyaiva gandum kshamaha asmi. I am good enough to jump high and reach there without using a ladder. So he was saying that sarcastically. Savyangyam. Tabodatta also mocking at him, teasing him, he replied, Sadhu sadhu anjaneyam abhi adhikramasi. Well, then you will be ahead of even Anjaneya, that is Hanumanji. Then Purusha that man replies, Savimarsham. Kotra sandeha, what is the doubt there? Kinja, vinalipya aksharatnyanam tabobireva kevalam yadi vidyavashesyuste seturesha tadhamama. Vina lipihi plus aksharatnyanam lipyaksharatnyanam. Tapobihi plus eva tapobireva kevalam yadi vidyavashe syuste should be splitted as syuhu plus te seturesha setuhu plus eshaha tadha mama. So there are enough sandhi in this sloka. It should be read as, after splitting the words, it should be read as Vina lipihi aksharatnyanam. Lipihi aksharatnyanam or lipi plus aksharatnyanam tapobihi eva kevalam yadi vidya vashe syuhu te setuhu eshaha tadha mama. So the man replied to Tapodatta, if without learning any letters or alphabets or script, if you can achieve knowledge just by doing penance, I can also build a bridge just using sand across this river. Yadi vidya vashesyuhu te setuhu esha tadhamama. So building a bridge for me is comparable to that. If you can do that, I too can do this, he was saying to Tapodatta. Then Tapodatta gets realized what really he meant. Savailakshyam atmagatam. So he thinks in his mind, Aye Mam eva uddishya Badra Purushaha ayam adikshipati. Actually, he is really teasing or mocking at me. Noonam satyam atra pashyami. I can really see what he meant. Aksharatnyanam vina eva. Vinaiva should be splitted as vina eva. Vaidushyam avaptum abhilashami. Without learning any alphabet, aksharatnyanam vina. Vaidushyam avaptum abhilashami. I am wishing to become a scholar or become a good educated person. Tad iyam bhagavatyaha sharadaya avamanana. So in this way, if I do, I am disrespecting the goddess of knowledge, that is Sharada, Saraswati. Guru graham gatva eva vidyabhyasaha maya karaniyaha. And he realizes that he should approach a guru and get educated. Purushartaha eva purushartaihi eva purusharthaireva lakshyam prapyate. I will reach my destination, or I will reach what I want to achieve. I will achieve only with effort. Prakasham. So that paragraph was Atmagadam. He was talking in his mind or talking to himself. Then Prakasham. Prakasham means he is talking loudly. Bho Narottama. He is talking to that man. Narottama. Uttama Naraha. The best human being. Na aham jane yat ko asti bhavan. I don't know who are you. Parantu bhavadbihi unmilitam me nayanayugalam. You have opened my eyes. Tapo matrena vidyam avaptum prayatamanaha aham api sikatabihi eva setu nirmana prayasam karomi. When I am trying to get knowledge only with penance, it can be really like what you did before me, that is to build a bridge only using sand. Tad idanim vidya adhyayanaya gurukulameva gacchami. So now I am planning to approach a guru or go to Gurukula to acquire knowledge. Sapranamam gacchati. He bows down in front of him and he leaves.